The history of herbs. Soursop. Soursop, also known as graviola, is the fruit of Annona maricata, a broadleaf flowering evergreen tree. It is native to the tropical regions of the Americas and the Caribbean. The fruit is usually called soursop due to its slightly acidic taste when ripe. Ancient peoples have long used its fruit, roots, seeds, and leaves to treat all kinds of ailments, including cancer. It contains compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It may help to manage blood sugar and blood pressure. Modern scientists have been studying the plant for 50 years. They see potential promise in graviola. They found it kills cancer cells in test tubes and in animal studies. What they don't know yet is if it works as a treatment for cancer in humans. In one study, graviola leaf extract shrank breast tumors in mice. Other studies looked at the effect of graviola fruit extract on a protein called epidermal growth factor receptor. This protein sits on the surface of cells and helps them grow and divide. Some breast cancer cells have too much, and the cells grow faster and are harder to treat. Graviola block the growth of these cells. Graviola contains chemicals that might help not only fight against certain forms of cancer, but certain types of bacteria as well as viruses and parasites. Some people have used graviola for human papillomavirus, bacterial infections, cancer, and many other conditions. But there's no scientific evidence to support these uses at this time. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by dherbs.com.